Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss self-practice 1.7. So for this one, you're asking to solve the question. So let's go through the question first. Alright, make sure you understand the question. Diagram on the right shows a semicircle. So when I read, I always highlight the keywords. Alright, semicircle. Garden SRT with a center O and radius 12 meter. The region PQR is covered by grass. Okay, the one in green color covered by grass and is a sector of the circle with the center Q and radius 16 meter. The light brown color part is fenced and planted with flowers. Okay, given that the length PR, arc length PR is 14 meter. Alright, find the length of the fence and the fence in meter and the fence used to fence around the flower. Alright, and the area planted with flowers. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. So basically when I read the question, I actually will highlight the most important keywords is the arc length for SRT is a semicircle, right? Okay, this is a very important keyword. That means I can find the let's use I actually got the arc length SRT, which is because I need to find the circumference. It's a circumference that I need to build the fence. So I highlight the fence that I need to calculate the length. So from here it was given radius is radius for the sector is covered, the one covered by the grass is having radius 16 meter, right? So here is 8, so here should be 4, right? 4. Okay, so basically that is how I work out the 4 and 4 meter. And then for this one is semicircle is 2 pi r, which is 12 divided by 2. So it's semi is half of the circle. I got 12 pi. So I need to find this one is 16, and then the PR, the arc length for the PR. Okay, so you can actually calculate, right? So now I need the length of the P, and then so PS, so perimeter is PS 4 meter plus semicircle 12 pi, and then plus another 4, and then plus 8, and the arc length was given in the question, right? So as you can see, the arc length is given the radius 16 meter, right? So this one we will try to use we have 4, we have 8. So let's see this one. We can read the question, the information there. Given that the arc length of PR is 14, so then we don't have to worry, we just plus the 14, right? Plus with the 14. So the answer, if you press a calculator for this one, is 4 plus 4, plus the 16. So we have, let's write down properly. So this is 4, and then we have 16, right? and then we have the 14. So finally we have the 37.70 plus 8 plus 14 plus 16. So if you really calculate, the answer is 75.70 meter for question number 1A. Alright, then the area planted with flower. So we have to find the angle first, because when we want to find the area, let's erase. Now we talk about the area, right? So when we want to find the area, we have to actually try to work out the angle for this one. So we have to find area of the sector. We are given here is actually given 14, right? Arc length 14. So we also have the radius, which is 16. So we use S equal to R theta, right? 14 equal to 16 theta. So theta is 14 over 16. So if you press your calculator, you got 0.875 radian, right? And then what you need to do is you take the semicircle, okay, pi r square, okay, the semicircle, minus out the half r square, which is 16, and then times with the 0.875, which is the angle in radian. So this is area in meter square planted with a flower. Okay, so if you minus, you try to find the semicircle you get 226.22 meter square, right? And then you minus out, this is 112 meter square. So finally your answer area should be 114.22 meter square. Alright, okay, that is about the question number 1, 114.22 meter square. Right, now I'm going to discuss question number 2. Right, okay, let's see question number 2. For this question number 2, you need to work on the diagram. Okay, let's understand the question first. The diagram on the right shows the cross section of water pipe with the internal radius 12 centimeter. Alright, so water flows through it to a height of 8 centimeter, and the horizontal width of the water, EF, is 18. This one, 18 centimeter, right? This is the height of the water. Okay, so you must understand first. Okay, 18 centimeter, and then calculate the value of H. Alright, so let's focus to the circle first. So let's make it bigger. So you are given the center. So normally we will work out like this. Alright, so we try to think of a right angle triangle, right? So this is 12. So this one, if I divide into 2, it should be 9. So then I can find the, let's say this is, you can assign one unknown to represent the height here. So we don't use a H because we have the H. We can use any of the unknown. Let's say you use D. This is a midpoint. This is 9. This is 9. So this is a right angle. So this is 12. So I'm going to find the D. D square is 12 square, right? Minus 9 square. So if you square root the 12 square minus 9 square, your answer is 7.937 centimeter. So then, as you know that the radius is measuring from the center, right? So I just show you the radius is 12. So from here to here will be 12, right? Let me draw properly. Here to here will be 12, right? So in order to find the h plus d is actually equal to 12, right? So that means the h can be obtained, can be calculated. H is just 12 minus 7.937. So the H is 4.063 centimeter. Got it? Understand? Okay, I hope you understand. So I have worked out the H, which is the height of the water. And then what did the question ask? Question asked for height, value of H. So the H we have found already. So the H is 4.0, again 4.063 centimeter. Then the cross-section area covered by water. Okay, what it means by cross-section area covered by water? Alright, so it means, let me erase. It means this one. I'm going to highlight using the red pen here, right? Alright, it's a shape of the segment. Okay, that means we need to find the segment. So in order to find the segment, area of segment is actually area of the sector minus, okay, area of sector minus area of triangle. So we need the angle here. So just now we have the 9 here, we have 12. So you can find half of this. You can use cosine rule. So if I want to work out using trigo, so this is 12, this is 9, this is theta. So I will use the opposite, right? You're having the triangle like this. This is theta, this is 9, this is 12. So this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Sine theta equal to 9 over 12. So if you press your calculator, you will get the answer. How many degree and how normally we want the degree. Okay, let's press the calculator. 9 over 12, and then we shift sine, we will get 48.59 degree, right? Okay, 48.59 degree, we have to times 2, we will get 97.18. Alright, that means we will get this angle, which is the whole angle here is double, is 1808, right, degree. So I'm going to convert to radian. I will times 3.142 divided by 180. So I will get 1.696. Alright. So this angle, okay, this angle is equivalent to 1.69634408, something like that. So we can stick to 1.696 radian. So I'm going to find the area of the sector. Okay, area of the sector and area of the triangle. So 1 over 2, what is the radius? 12, right? 12 square, and then I times 1.6963, I minus half. A and B are radius. Sine the angle 1808. Alright, 1808 degree. Okay, now you can press one shot from your calculator. 0.5 times 12 square times 1.6963. Okay, you get the answer, which is 122.1336 minus 0.5 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 sine 97.1808 degree. So you get 71.435253, something like that. Okay, so finally you minus, so 122.1336 minus 71.4353. So your answer is, what's the answer? So we can actually write down the answer is again 122.1316 minus 71.4353. So the answer is 50.6963. Okay, if you use 0.5 times 1 over 2 squared times 1.6963, you get 1. Okay, this is 3, 122.1336. Alright, minus 71.4353. So the answer is 50.6983, right? 83. So if you round off, you should get around 50.70 centimeters squared. Alright, but some of you maybe you use I know you use 1.696, right? So you get your answer will be a little bit different. If let's say you are using, let me show you how the, okay, the problem is some of you take 1 over 2 times 12 square times 1.696 minus 1 over 2 times 12 square sine 97. 60. And then we have to find the degree, right? Okay, so we have how many degree? It seems like it's 120, right? We have 120 degree here. Alright, so it's 3/4. Yeah, this is 120 degree. Okay, we found out the angle already. So after we found out the angle and the radius was given, right? The minutes hand is 8. That means the radius is 8. So we are going to find the area. So it's actually quite easy. Area of the sector is 1/2 times the radius 8 square times 120. Don't forget you have to convert to radian, right? So over 180. So the answer is, you press a calculator, the area of the sector is 67.04 centimeter square, right? Okay, let's see B. Angle in radian if the area swept through by the minute hand is 80 centimeter square. That means the sector is actually having the area 80. So we need to find the angle in radian. So for this formula is actually already in radian. So you can just simplify. 64 divided by 2 is 32 equal to theta equal to 80. That means theta is 80/32. That means the theta is how many radian? Theta is 2.5 radian, right? Okay, so this is the solution for exercise 1.7. I will discuss and share with you more exercise if I'm free. Okay, so till then I shall see you in my next video sharing. Bye bye and have a nice day.